Yeah. So 7 students have joined till now. We have done, I think we have done till question 7 or 8 in the first exercise of triangles, properties of triangles. How many questions we have done?
Sir, till question number 8 we have done.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, so let's start. So we have to start with question number 9. And
Yes,
I
sir.
want to know that how many of you did the activity I gave yesterday?
So,
Oh, beta, you had to do it in your copies. You don't have to just cut out the triangle and then keep it on a table.
so I have to stick it in my notebook.
You have to stick it in a notebook, write the name of the property, which property you are doing, and
Angle property.
what is the result of the property. This all you have to write in your copy also.
Okay, sir.
Write the name of the property, what you are doing, everything. You have to write down. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What about others? I know one or two more of you have done. Raj Nandini has done.
And sir, Sahil also.
Yeah, Sahil. साहिल खान बेटा आपको वो कटिंग करके पेस्ट करना था कॉपी में ड्रॉ नहीं करना है आपको यू हैव ड्रॉन इट इन योर कॉपी you had to take a colored paper sheet and then cut out a triangle from it, and then you have to paste all these things in your copies. Raj Nandini is there, but please switch on your video. Yeah, but you have done well, beta. Good, well done. Okay. Let's start with question number 9. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two, show that the triangle is right angle. So in this, there is a triangle. It is given that in this triangle, one of the angles is equal to sum of the other.
Come on.
The angle is equal to sum of the other two angles. Okay. So in triangle ABC, let us assume that the triangle is ABC and it is given, what is given? Given that angle A, one of the angles is equal to sum of the other two angles. That means angle A is equals to angle B plus angle C. Is it clear to all of you? This is given in the question. That in a triangle, it is given that one angle, so you can take any one angle, we have taken angle A, one angle is equal to sum of the other two angles. Okay, that means angle A is equal to angle B plus angle C. So this is given to you. This is a special case. In this case, it is given, not in every case. This is not a case in every triangle. It is only in this triangle. It is a special case. Okay, given in this question. Now you have to prove that this triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. How we can prove that a triangle is right angle triangle? If we show that the triangle has one angle equal to 90, if one angle in the triangle is equal to 90, then we can say that the triangle is a right triangle. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason for this? You all know that the sum of all the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. What is the reason? Can you tell me the reason, anyone?
Sir, please repeat the question.
Beta, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason?
Yes, sir.
What is the reason?
Angle sum property.
Yeah. Angle sum property of triangles. Write in full form.
Sir, because the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180.
Very good. Very good. So this is also known as angle sum property. So mention the reason. Don't forget to mention the reason and write in full form. Angle sum property. I have written in short form. You will write in full form.
Okay, sir.
So angle A. Now what I am doing here, this is an important step. What is this? In place of angle B plus angle C, I am going to write angle A. Here you can see angle B plus angle C. Can you see it? We are adding angle B and angle C.
Yes, sir.
In place of angle B plus angle C, I will write angle A. Can I do this? Because angle B plus angle C is equal to A. It is given.
Yes, sir.
So in place of angle B,
सर कर सकते हैं.
I am writing angle A. Okay, this equals to 180 degrees. मैंने B और C दोनों को हटा दिया और उसकी जगह angle A लिख दिया. Got it? Now angle A plus angle A. What is x plus x? If you add x and x plus x,
2x.
it is 2x.
2x.
Similarly, twice of angle A is equal to 180 degrees. 2 angle A is equal to 180 degrees. Twice of angle A. That means angle A is equals to 90 degrees. What is the value of angle A? 90 degrees. Now, since angle A is 90 degree, in the triangle.
Sir, it is a right angle triangle.
Yes, very good, correct. So in triangle ABC, one angle is 90 degree. Right. So can we say that triangle ABC is a right triangle? Yes. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right triangle. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please note down.
No, sir.
हाँ? No sir. बेटा किस
सर
बात की?
कोई डाउट नहीं है.
अच्छा।
सर नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा अजीब सा है.
Don't worry. Please try to speak in English.
ओके सर.
Yeah. Are you all ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Question number 10. In question 10, it is given that twice of angle A to angle A given that twice of angle A is equal to thrice of angle B, 3 times of angle B, and also equal to 6 times of angle C. This is given in the question. You have to find all the 3 angles, A, angle B, and angle C. Let's see how we can do it. So these angles, there is a relation given in all the 3 angles. What is the relation? Twice of angle A, अगर angle A का double कर दे, angle C का triple कर दे, और angle C का 6 times कर दे, तो ये सब equal हो जाएंगे. This is given in the question, and you have to, with the help of this information, you have to find angle A, angle B, and angle C. So how we can do it? Let's see. What we are going to do in this, I am adding one more thing in the question. ये तीनों आपस में equal तो हैं. I am writing one more thing here equal to K. I am writing all the 3 things equal to K also. So you can write in the bracket assume. We have assumed. Okay, let's assume that all the 3 are equal to K. K के equal बोल दिया है. Assume कर लिया K के equal. K is just a variable, temporary variable which will be used in the question. K is this K is only a temporary variable which we are going to use in the question to find the values of angle A, angle B, and angle C. So there is a trick in the question. What is the trick? आप इन तीनों को K के equal लगा दें. Now, because all the 3 angles, all these 3 things are equal to K, so I can, you all can see that twice of angle A is also equal to K. 2 angle A is equal to K because ये सारे equal हैं, आपस में सब जगह equal लगा हुआ है, देखिए. So 2 angle A is equal to K. I am writing it here. 2 angle A is equals to K. So from this, what do I get? What is the value of angle A in terms of K? Angle A will be equals to K upon 2. Am I right? Angle A is
Yes, sir.
equal to K upon 2. Similarly, for angle B, 3 angle B is equal to K.
3 upon K.
K upon 3. 3 angle B is equal to K. So this gives that Angle B is equals to K upon 3. Angle B is equals to K upon 3.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in this, I think that K is equal to 180 degree.
Yes. So angle B is equals to K upon 3 and 6 times of angle C is equals to K. Now
K
you get
upon
this
6.
also. So you will get angle C equals to K upon 6. Now we have found all the three values in terms of K, all the three angles in terms of K. Okay. Angle A कितना है K upon 2 है, angle B कितना है K upon 3 है, and angle C is equals to K upon 6. Now what? We know that what that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. You all know this, that sum of all the three angles is equal to 180. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. Now put the values of angle A, angle B and angle C in terms of K. K upon 2 plus K upon 3 plus K upon 6. Sum of all the three angles equals to 180 degrees. Now take the LCM. 6 is the LCM. So 3K plus 2K plus K is equal to 180. So 3K plus 2K plus K gives you 6K. 6K equals to 6K upon 6 equals to 180. That means what is the value of K? यहाँ पर आप 6 से 6 cancel कर देंगे. So you get K equals to 180 degrees. So we are getting the value of K equal to 180 degrees. It could be anything, but in this case it is 180 degrees. Okay. Now we have found the value of K. We will use this value of K to find all the three angles. Angle A. Angle A is equals to K upon 2. So what is the measure of angle A? 180 upon 2.
90 degree.
That is 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, you all will find angle B and angle C also. Find angle B and angle C also. Angle B, you will find out, and angle C. Find all the three angles. Have you all understood?
Sir, yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir, understood.
Sir, done.
Sir, not understood.
Yes, beta. What? Which step? Which step? Any particular step, or do you want me to explain from the starting again?
So from starting.
In the question, it is given that twice of angle A is equal to twice of angle B. 2 times of angle A is equal to 3 times of angle B equals to 6 times of angle C. This thing is given in the question. It is given. When you see the question, you will see that it is given. Now एक और चीज बस मैंने यहाँ पर अपनी तरफ से ऐड करी है, वो क्या है? Equal to K. This is a trick you have to use in the question. Okay, there are other ways of doing question also. There are other ways. दूसरे तरीके से भी there are other methods also. So this is an easy method. you put all the three equals to k. K भी equal लगा दिया. That means all these four things now are equal to each other. ये चारों चीजें एक दूसरे के equal हैं. तो मैं इनमें से किसी के भी equal लगा सकता हूँ because all the four are equal. So I have put twice of angle A equal to k first. 2 angle A equal to k लगा दिया. Okay, लगा सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
इसको समझ में नहीं आया था?
Sir, I think Aditya Saxena.
तो 2 angle A equals to k को कर दिया हमने. Angle A is equals to k upon 2. Angle A की वैल्यू निकाल ली. Similarly, 3 angle B equals to k. Angle B equals to k upon 3. And angle C, 6 angle C equals to k. Therefore, angle C is equals to k upon 6. So all the three angles we have found in terms of k. Now what? Now you all know that the sum of all the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? This is angle sum property जो हम हर क्वेश्चन में लगा रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
Angle sum property. Sum of all the three angles equals to 180. Now put the values of all the three in terms of k. K upon 2. Angle A की value k upon 2 है. Angle B k upon 3 and angle C k upon 6.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, what you have written in this? 3k plus 2k.
This is 3k plus 2k plus k. You have
Because
taken
I'm
that.
taking the LCM.
You can do it yourself also. So 180. Now what is the LCM of all the three? You have done this before also in previous chapters also. In the chapter fractions, in the chapter linear equations also, you have solved many equations like this. So this is a linear equation only. What is this? This is a linear equation. आता है ना सबको linear equation solve करना?
Yeah.
We are solving
Yes,
a
sir.
linear equation.
Yes, sir.
So add all the three terms. What is the LCM? 6. So 3k plus 2k plus k. What is the sum? 6k. 6k upon 6. 6 से 6 यहाँ पर कट जाएगा. And you get k equals to 180 degrees. So this is your value of k. Now put the value of k in all the three cases. Angle A, put the value of k here. You will get angle A equals to 90. Put the value of k here. You will get angle B equals to 60. And then put the value of k there. You will get angle C equals to 30 degrees. 90, 60 and 30. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Who was asking? Now you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. Question number 11. Yeah. So this question says, what is the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle? So you have to consider an equilateral triangle and you have to find the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle. So this is a triangle ABC. We know that in equilateral triangle, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C.
So 60 degree.
यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं in an equilateral triangle. Yeah. Equilateral triangle. Angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C. All the three angles are equal. So now use the angle sum property to find all the three angles. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? ASP. Okay. So angle A, now in place of angle B and angle C, all the three are equal. So I am simply writing angle A in place of angle B also and in place of angle C also. replacing with angle A, because all the three are equal. So angle A plus angle A plus angle A, this becomes 3 angle A
3 angle A is equal
equals to
to
180. Therefore,
80.
angle A is equals to 60 degrees. So you all have understood that angle A is equals to 60.
Yes, sir.
Angle B
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to angle A, so it is also 60. And angle C is also 60 degrees.
60.
All the three angles are 60 degrees each. Clear? The question is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Note down the question. Very easy one.
Sir, done.
Sir, please don't erase.
Sir, in these type of questions, we can take angle B and angle C, angle A.
Beta, your voice is not coming clear. Not able to understand what you are saying.
Sir, in these type of questions, we can take angle B and angle C as angle A.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, done.
Okay. Question 12. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. If angle A is equals to 65 and angle B is equal to 55, find the measure of these angles. Okay. So this is the figure given in the question. This angle is 65. This is 55. Okay, and it is given that DE is parallel to BC. These are parallel lines. So in the first part of the question, you have to find angle ADE. Angle ABE. This angle we have to find out. This one.
Sir,
Angle ADE is equals to angle B. Reason? Alternate interior angles. Sorry, corresponding angles. Angle ADE and angle B are corresponding angles. corresponding angles. याद है या भूल गए? Corresponding angles, alternate interior angles.
सर याद है.
Concepts of these are the concepts of the chapter properties of parallel lines. वहाँ पे पढ़ा था आपने.
Yes,
These
sir.
are the corresponding angles when two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are equal. So angle ADE is equals to angle B. Now, what is the value of angle ADE? It is 55 degrees.
55.
Got it? So this is the answer of the first part. For the second part, you have to find angle AED. Angle AED निकालना भी बहुत easy है. We know that angle A plus angle ADE plus angle AED. If we add all the three angles of triangle ADE, triangle ADE में तीनों angles आप add कर लीजिए, sum क्या होगा? The sum will be equals to 180 degrees. Reason ASP, angle sum property of triangles.
Property.
So angle A की value put कर दीजिए 65, 55. Angle ADE we have already found it is 55, and angle AED you have to find equals to 180. So when you solve this equation, you will get angle AED equals to 60 degrees. So this is the answer. Angle AED is equal to 60 degrees. This is the answer of the second part of the question. And now in the third part of the question, you have to find angle C, this angle. This one we have already found, angle AED, this is 60. Now you have to find angle C. This part I am doing here.
Same the corresponding angles.
Yeah. Angle C is equals to angle AED. Reason? Corresponding angles, same reason. Corresponding angles. So what is angle C? Angle C is equals to 60 degrees. So these are the three angles. Answer. Put down the question. It was an easy one.
Understood.
Sir, done.
Very good.
So done the question.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Now let us discuss question number 13. Question 13 is to be done in the book only. 13, 14, 15, all the questions are to be done in the book. So question 13. Yeah. Question 13 says, can a triangle have two right angles? Sorry. Can we have two right
No,
angles
sir.
in a triangle? No, not possible, because the sum of all the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. अगर दो एंगल उसमें 90 के हो गए तो थर्ड एंगल क्या जीरो होगा? It is not possible to have any angle equal to 0. So it is not possible to have a triangle with two right angles. Answer is no. Second one, can it have two obtuse angles? किसी triangle में दो obtuse angle हो सकते हैं? Tell me, all of you. Give me the answer.
No, sir.
Can we have two obtuse angles in a triangle? Answer is
No,
again.
sir.
Why no? Because obtuse
No,
angle
sir.
का मतलब क्या
No,
है? What
sir.
is the meaning of obtuse angle? That means the angle is greater than 90, more than 90. तो क्या किसी ट्राइंगल में दो एंगल्स का सम दो एंगल्स 90 से बड़े हो सकते हैं? अगर if two angles are more than 90, that means the sum will be greater than 180. That means it will not form a triangle. Not possible again. No. Can we have two acute angles in a triangle? Can we have
Yes,
two
sir.
acute angles? Yes, definitely we can have two acute angles in a triangle. Okay. आपका ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि ट्राइंगल में वन एंगल इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंड टू एंगल्स आर एक्यूट, सो दिस इज पॉसिबल. So third one is yes. Fourth one, all angles more than 60. All the
Yes, sir, yes.
more than 60.
No, sir.
Not possible, no. Because
No,
अगर
sir.
तीनों एंगल 60 से बड़े होंगे तो the sum will be more than 180. ऐसा पॉसिबल है? Not possible. So no is the answer. All angles less than 60. All the angles less than 60. अगर तीनों एंगल 60 से छोटे हैं, this means that the sum will be less than 180. अगर तीनों एंगल 60 से छोटे ले लेंगे आप, तो आपका sum क्या आएगा? Less than 180 आएगा. So is it possible to have a triangle in which the sum of all
Yes,
the
sir.
angles is less than 180? Not possible. No.
Sir, we have to do question 13 in copy.
In the book.
Yes, sir.
In the book.
Okay, sir.
Then the last one, all angles equal to 60. अभी हमने किया
Yes,
था.
sir.
ऐसा triangle जिसमें all angles are equal to 60. What type of triangle is that?